So watch how we are going to use this gold color, and we are having color 30 in Lush, and we also have this gold bowl. Watch how we are going to mix it together and make a beautiful hairstyle. So I took down the previous hairstyle, okay? So I lose it, I washed it out, then I mix this attachment to achieve this particular combo, the style, okay? So I properly washed her hair, blow dry, and detangle it. See how I washed it and I blow dry it and I detangle it. So once that was done, I began the braiding, the process. I'm using effortless edge control. I carefully section the hair section by section. For each part, I use edge control to give it a clean definition look. I then started the braid with a natural hair, gradually fading in the attachment little by little until each section was completed. So this method helped us to achieve that smooth, natural looking knotless finish. No stress, no tension. So I use gold, brown, and off-white extension to get this unique color combo, even though we only use 1.5 pack of attachment. Yeah, this knotless braid is not even up to 2 pack. It's 1 packet and half of the extension, which is the attachment. Okay, so we bought 2.5, so we end up using 1.5, and we mix both. The reason why we bought all those colors, which is the 2 packets and a half, because we needed that color to mix it and achieve this particular color combo. Okay, so that's how it all happens. So this is how I created this gorgeous, stylish knotless braid, look very effortlessly. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep supporting your girl. More style loading. I'm your baby girl, you know. So this down hair, this particular down hair was really bald, but I'm grateful that this hair is actually coming out, and we are not doing so much for the hair to come out. I think it's because we are always doing gel style and packing it up, maybe stressing the down of the hair, and it started cutting. But I'm so grateful that the down hair has started growing and I was able to hold it and braid this knotless braid without stress, without even paining her, without even giving her stress and giving her a leg. And I was so grateful, and I'm saying thank you, darling, for always contacting, always being a regular client, and always appreciating all the styles. In fact, she did try. I no go cap, she did try. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you. I give you, don't worry, you're gonna win awards very soon. You know what I'm saying, baby girl. You're always the best on top. Thank you so much. So this is how the color combo turned out. It's so beautiful, and I braid it gradually, and I detangle it. I brushed it. You can see the gold, you can see the off-white, you can see the brown. Everything went well. For someone that is light skin, I mean, she's literally white. Okay, so this color is really going to fit you. I recommend it. And this is how I braid my knotless braid. As I'm starting with the natural hair, okay, I'm braiding with the natural hair from the scalp. But if I start with the attachment from the scalp, it's really going to pain you. It's really going to hurt at the end of the braid, okay? But me starting with the natural hair on your scalp, like braiding your natural hair, is really going to give you this light weight. It's going to be really light, so beautiful. Like, you're not going to feel like you're carrying braid on your hair. You're going to feel so free. Like, you're going to say, oh my god, this is cute. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, share for someone that is looking for where to learn how to braid knotless braid. This braiding style is for her. Okay, so when I want to braid the front, I have to remove the front hair. Okay, I take off the front hair small so that our front hair will not cut. I hate front hair to cut. I don't like it. I don't even like hair cutting. So I took it off for the baby hair that I'm going to use to style. Okay, so I braid it gradually. I start adding it from the back of the braid. When I collect the attachment from my assistant, and I'll add it from the back of the braid, and I braid it, and I'll cut another one. Apply a little edge control, because the edge control at some point used to scratch. And when edge control is scratching you, that means the hair is not going to last. Okay, so I had to apply it very tiny, very tiny. Then I go through with my finger, run it down, and braid it first with a natural hair before I start adding the extension. So this is how I create this gorgeous, beautiful knotless braid, and it's the ending point was so beautiful. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tell me how you like, if this knotless braid is going to be your next style, and tell me where you're watching from. Just tell me where you're watching from. Next time I'm going to appreciate you. I love you. Bye. Do it well. What's in there? Just to do something. Do it again. Do the score again.
When you finish, come downstairs and come and eat it. Because I don't understand that you're doing.
Do it again.
It's like an arrangement.